Warning: fire. Don't ignore the warning signs. Your furnace may need repairs. Fire warning. When your home's heating system starts acting up, it's easy to overlook the signs. Revolving light warning: signs your furnace needs attention.
Uneven heating or cold spots. Some rooms feel warm while others stay chilly.
Toolbox: why choose Uptown for repairs? Wrench: same-day service for most Houston areas. Man mechanic licensed, trained technicians. Speech balloon upfront diagnostics and pricing. Phone: call Uptown Heating and Air Conditioning today for fast, reliable service.